So today I am reviewing this level 2 EV charger, electric car charger. Let's check it out. We have this nice long cable, nice thick cable. This one is capable of 48 or 40 amps of charging. You can see it's an EVSE right here. It says it's up to 48 amps. It's in a NEMA 1450 plug and has nice lock right here, nice dust cap right here with a metal cord that's nice. You can see the normal J plug right there. It'll work for any EV that's not a Tesla. With something like this, you should be able to get, what is it, like 9.6 kilowatts of charging. It's going to be dependent on your car's onboard charger, but it's a whole other conversation. This is also a nice portable charger to take with you because it comes with this nice carrying case and it has a small box over there. Let's go check it out. You can see here, this is off of my 50 amp breaker. We have this enclosed box with the NEMA 1450 plug right there, and it's powering up. This EV charger also has this mount, so you can mount it on a wall. If I wanted to permanently mount it, I could put it right there, and you can also take it off the cradle if you needed to travel with it. Shows you a bunch of data right there. Says how many volts it could put out, what amp it's set at, how long it's been charging, and the current temperature. It has this button right here. You hold that down, and then you can go either set a timer or current. Quick tap to change it. Long press to select something. And then here you can change from 8, 10, 13. So we put it on 13 amps, also 16 and the full 48. Let's go over here to my little electric car, which I can't recommend an electric car enough. Pull off the dust cap, plug it in, wait for the car to communicate. Hear that little beep? That means we are charging. Those blue lights is how we know on this car it is charging. Let's check it out. It says we're at 66%, and it'll be another 6 hours because we are on a very low voltage right here. If I put it the full 48, it would be much faster. You can see, very simple to use, very easy, and I hope this video helps you with your buying decision.